Hello everyone, welcome to The Manager. In this video, I will show you how to solve email deliverability issue. Now, as you can see here, this is info@financedevelopment.com trying to send a mail to info@orange.think.com, and we're having this error message: undelivered mail returned to sender. And you must be wondering, why did this email bounce back? Could it be my domain? Now, I decided to send a mail to this info@orange.think using another mail. This is Prudence, trying to send a mail to the same info@orange.think.com, and I'm also having this error message: address not found. This is to tell you that the issue here is with this recipient email, info@orange.think.com. So the issue is from the recipient mail. There are three common issues attached to email deliverability problem. One, no SPF or DKIM record set. That is to say, if your domain, like this orange.think.com, yes, if your domain does not have SPF or DKIM configured, your email might be flagged as suspicious. Another reason is incorrect configuration. That is to say, even if you have your SPF, your DKIM, your DMARC in your domain configuration and is not good, like the configuration is incorrect, something like this is also likely to happen. Then also your DMARC not implemented. Now, to begin, I'll come to the cPanel of this orange.think.com. So this is my cPanel account. Then I will go to the DNS function. Click on DNS Zone Editor. Here, I will select the domain, orange.think. So now, I'm going to add my record type, which is the SPF, the DMARC, and the DKIM. So I'll click on Add Type Record. So it's a TST test. So here, I will enter the record name, which is @. The first one I'll be adding is the SPF, @. Then the cache 14400. Then the test record. So I will just copy and paste. Now, this test record, now you must be wondering how I got it, right? There's a link on the description below on how to generate your SPF record, your DMARC record, and your DKIM record. Just click on the link on the description below. You'll see how I generated all this. Then as soon as you have done this, click on Save Record. Successfully. Now we have succeeded in adding the SPF. Now let's go add the DMARC. So the same way, I'll click on Add Type Record, TST. Okay, now that we've succeeded in configuring the SPF, it's time to add our DKIM. So same way, click on Add Type Record. So I'll click on this button, TST. Then my record type, my record name, I'll just paste it here. Then the cache remains the same. Then the test record, I'll just copy it from where I have it. Remember to click the link on the description on how to generate this test record. So I'll paste it here. This is that of the DKIM. Then I'll click on Save Record. Successful. Then this is time to add that of the DMARC. So to add the DMARC, I'll just click on the same way. Type TST. Then I'll paste my record name here. Then the cache 14400. Then the test record, I'll just copy and paste. Then click on Save Record. Successful. Okay, now that we have successfully configured the SPF, the DMARC, and the DKIM, now let's try to resend this email again to see if it works. So I'm just going to click on Compose. So the address is info@orange.think. So I'll paste it here. subject. Let's just say trial and error. Then I will just copy the content, this content, and paste here. Then click on send. So I will just check. Now that I've sent the mail, I will just check my inbox if I have any error message. No, this was that of yesterday. So go to sent mail. As you can see, it went through, right? That message was sent successfully. So guys, this is how you successfully configured your domain to receive mail from other sender. Please, if you find this video helpful, kindly hit the like and the subscribe button for more content like this, and do not hesitate to drop your comments on the comment section below. Thank you.